Hi, folks. I'd like to have a little discussion about Phoebe's, a cute little brown bird that makes a sound like Phoebe. Here's my porch floor, which is now lined with Phoebe poop, 50 feet of floor, and it's all covered. Now, what happened is they built a nest and they raised at least 3 little ones. And here's the nest. I'll show you a photo of that. The nest is right there. And here's what came out of the nest. The little ones have a way of not messing up the nest, so they drop it all on whatever's under the nest, which happens to be this cardboard that I put down. And here's the rest of the floor. It's just paved with Phoebe excrement. It just keeps going. I've had barn swallows. They didn't leave a single sign that they'd been here. But Phoebe's, well, you are now forewarned.